Today I will be making mutton curry in a microwave oven. So for that I have taken about 1 kg of mutton. Since this is Australian mutton, it is very difficult to make it soft. That's why I'm going to use a natural tenderizer, which is raw papaya. So since it is 1 kg, I'm going to add about 2 cubes of meat tenderizer. So this meat tenderizer I have prepared at my home. You can find the recipe on videos in my channel. So please check out. Mix this well. Meat tenderizer should not be used if there are any pregnant ladies in the house. Keep this aside for about half an hour until I fry my onions and tomatoes. On the other side, take a cooking pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil into it. Once the oil is heated, add about 2 chopped onions which are chopped longitudinally. Fry these onions until they turn to light brown in color. Now I remove these onions and keep them aside. In the same cooking pot and oil, we need to add 2 tomatoes. I have cut these tomatoes into half. In order to remove the skin, I have actually freezed them and removed the skin. Now we'll cook this until they become soft. Once the tomatoes have become soft, switch off the flame. Transfer this into a mixer grinder jar. Add the fried onions. Add 8 green chilies which are chopped. Add mint leaves, a bunch of them. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. We'll let it cool down and we'll grind it into a fine paste. It has been half an hour. Now I'm going to thoroughly wash the mutton pieces. Now to this add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, add 2 teaspoons of salt, add 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, add half a teaspoon of garam masala, add quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder, add 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. Now mix this well. To this add about 3 tablespoons of curd. Also add the onion and tomatoes which have been grinded into a fine paste. Now mix this well. We are going to transfer this into the oven. So I have taken an oven compatible bowl. I'm going to add my mutton pieces. On top of it, I'll add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Cover this vessel with an aluminium foil. Now we'll transfer this into an oven. As you can see, I'm using the Siemens oven. So I have preheated it to 165 degrees centigrade. I've put my mutton into the cooking oven and then I'll close the lid now. Now as you can see, I have set it to 165 degrees centigrade and for about 35 minutes. But I'll check the status after 20 minutes. It has been 20 minutes. Now I'll check the status. Turn the pieces. It looks like it is than half cooked. I'll cook this for about another 10 to 15 minutes. Close with the foil. Put it in oven. In total it has been 35 minutes. Our mutton curry is very much ready. It smells very delicious. If you like this recipe, please like, share and comment on the videos that I make. Please try this recipe at home. Thank you all for supporting my channel. Take care. Bye bye.